How to fix Apple ID not valid or supported. If you are encountering the "This Apple ID is not valid or not supported" error, it often indicates issue with your account's compatibility or configuration. This video is a short guide to help you out how can you solve this issue. The very first thing you need to do is simply ensure that there are no types in the Apple ID email and password. Then go through your settings and check for software update. Make sure your system is up to date. If you see Update Now button over there, simply tap on it to update your system. Once you do that, open any browser on your device. Then go through your Apple ID website and try logging to your account from here. Once it's get activated, your issue will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.